Disguised gecko, the master of disappearing in plain sight. Deep in the lush rainforests of Madagascar, a tiny creature hides in plain sight, the Madagascar Day Gecko. At first glance, its bright green scales might seem like a giveaway, but that's the trick. This clever reptile has evolved to blend perfectly into the vibrant green leaves of its tropical home. To a passing predator, it's just another leaf dancing in the sunlight. But make no mistake, this gecko isn't just a pretty shade of green. It's a master of survival and disguise. Its body is covered in microscopic color cells called chromatophores, which help it shift its shade slightly to match the light and surroundings. When the sun shines brightly, it glows vivid emerald. In the shade, it turns a deeper forest green. Some even have red or blue markings that look like flower petals, helping them disappear completely among blossoms. Sticky-toed acrobat. High up in the rainforest canopy, this gecko spends most of its life leaping, climbing, and hunting. It's an expert climber, thanks to the sticky pads on its toes, each one made up of thousands of microscopic hairs called seta. These hairs create a natural suction, allowing the gecko to walk upside down on smooth glass, climb tree trunks, or even sprint across bamboo. Scientists say the grip is so strong that in theory, a single gecko could hold up its own weight several times over just using its toes. The lick of life. But here's something unusual. The Madagascar Day Gecko has no eyelids. That's right, it can't blink. Instead, it has a transparent scale called a spectacle covering each eye. To keep this lens clean and moist, the gecko uses its long pink tongue to lick its eyes, just like we'd use a windshield wiper. It might look funny, but it's incredibly efficient. This keen eyesight helps the gecko spot tiny insects, fruit, and nectar from far away. In fact, this little reptile is one of the few geckos that's active during the day, which makes its bright coloration even more impressive and risky. But its camouflage keeps it perfectly safe. Tiny predator, big personality. Despite being small, usually around 7 to 9 inches long, the Madagascar Day Gecko is fearless. It fiercely defends its territory, even chasing away other geckos that come too close. When threatened, it can drop its tail as a distraction, leaving predators confused while it makes a quick escape. The tail eventually grows back, a perfect example of nature's built-in backup plan. Nature's living jewel with its shimmering green body, ruby red markings, and liquid smooth movements. The Madagascar Day Gecko is often called a living jewel of the rainforest. But its beauty serves a purpose, helping it stay hidden, safe, and successful in one of the most vibrant ecosystems on Earth. So next time you see a leaf tremble in the sunlight, look closely. You might just be looking into the eyes, well, the unblinking eyes of a disguised gecko.